Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the rear interior door handles. Yeah, 2007 to 2012 Toyota Yaris Sedan, Vios Sedan, and Beige Sedan. Very similar procedure that you do to the front. And these are the part numbers. So 132-50016-113. And then same exact numbers except 114. And these is for if you want to get the Yaris S Sedan models with the chrome handle instead of the black or charcoal gray, whatever they call it. So it's the same exact procedure with just fewer steps. All you need is a little Phillips head. My little sponger go. Sponger tool, like I said, in the front. I think I already popped it out a little bit, yeah. They got a special tool to get this. I can't think of the name, but what you basically do, say this is the door handle. You just look for this side, and then you just push on it, and it'll slide out. So once you get that out the way, take out the little Phillips head. I think I got the camera wide angle this time, so see a lot more compared to the front interior door handle video. And then take out the screw out of this, also Phillips head. Yeah, there you go. And then same thing, just put your hand behind and just push forward. And then once you got everything, just lift it up. And then same thing, pull these forward and then lift up as so. And then next, you can push outwards. Actually, push outwards on the back side like that. Pull towards you, and that's it. Then get your new one. Get the sticker off. Oh well, I'll take it off later. Pop the new one. You see this little thing right there? That goes inside here. It's like a little guide thing. So, and push in. Green goes at the bottom. Try to get a better angle for you. Kind of hard doing this one hand. Make sure the ball's in the center. Then just push this back in. Then this goes up top, like that. And push down. And then when I'm putting it back on, just put it over. And then push down. And then just push everything back in. Like so. That clicking noise just to let you know that everything's back in. And then of course, get your little plastic off. For these door handles, I say go with the Aftermarket. It's only 10. Well, if you go with the black, it's $24 for both sides on eBay. It's the same exact thing as the OEM one. It's like 30 to 40 bucks from the dealership. So yeah, just to show you again, look, it's really no difference. Only difference is the red sticker is darker on the Aftermarket compared to the bright red in the OEM. Everything else is exactly the same. And then just get your little screws. And that's how you also know if the door is in all the way. You see the hole for the screw. Like that. Get your other one. Tighten everything back up. Alright, so when you're putting this back on, you put this on first. I don't think I showed this in the front interior door handles, but this is how the clip goes. Put it in like that. It clicks. And now what you do, pop it on. That's it. And that's how you replace your interior door handles. And you just repeat the same process for the opposite side. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks you guys for watching. And don't forget to hit a like or subscribe to my channel to show some support. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.